Welcome to the second lesson of the movement chapter. The topic for this lesson is the complex movement. As we all know, almost all behavior involves motor function, from talking to gesturing and to walking. If you want to pick up a glass, for example, your brain does not only figure which muscle to contract, but it also has to estimate the force needed to pick up the glass. This is the human brain. There are a total of 4 lobes in a human's brain. They are frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Located in the frontal lobe are the primary motor cortex and the premotor cortex. The primary motor cortex, or the M1, is one of the principal brain areas involved in motor function. The role of primary motor cortex is to generate neural impulses that control execution of movement. The signals from M1 activate the skeletal muscle on the other side of the body, meaning that M1 in the left hemisphere controls the right side of the body and M1 in the right hemisphere controls the left side of the body. The other regions of cortex involved in motor functions are called secondary motor cortices. The region consists of posterior parietal cortex, premotor cortex, and supplementary motor area. They function in transforming visual information into motor command. For example, posterior parietal cortex is responsible in determining how to steer the arm to a glass of water. The posterior parietal cortex then sends the information to the premotor cortex and supplementary motor area. The premotor cortex will orient the body before reaching for the glass of water. The other brain area responsible for bodily movement are basal ganglia, thalamus, cerebellum, and neuron groups located within midbrains and brainstem. The neurotransmitter dopamine, which helps control movement, is supplied to the basal ganglia by the axons of neurons located in the substantia nigra, a midbrain cell group. People with Parkinson's disease experience degeneration of nigral neurons. The supply of dopamine is depleted. Another brain region that is crucial for coordinating and adjusting skilled movement is the cerebellum. A disturbance of cerebral functions lead to poor coordination of muscle control, disorders of balance and reaching, and even difficulties in speech.